to the bakery. The bakery, simply defined as a place for making bread. It's an art form that's been around since ancient Egypt. Hey, but today, we are not in Egypt. We're in Anoka, Minnesota at Krown Bakery. And they do so much more than just make bread.
So Krown is a Nordic-inspired scratch bakery. We offer lots of Nordic and European offerings, and we specialize in gluten-free and vegan options.
Would you like that sliced at all?
I would like it sliced.
Today we're hanging out with Sharia and Maddie.
Cookies, sweet rolls, bread, dessert items, and also lunch. We have a lot of gluten-free options and vegan options, so I do feel like we have something for everybody.
My eyes glaze over as Maddie generously dishes up some delicious sweets, breads, and even soup for lunch. So, what is bread? For the recipe, let's head to the typewriter. In its purest form, bread simply consists of flour, water, and yeast. Once ingredients are mixed, you form a dough shape. Once properly rested, you bake in an oven. And presto, you have yourself some bread. Let's get back to Sharia.
Yeah, so we have Budapest roll, tiramisu, we serve cupcakes, and then we also have lots of different varieties of bread, including limpa, sourdough, Vienna, and more.
Like this Budapest roll, for example, that I ate later that afternoon. Delicious. Hey, the Krown Bakery is located in the West Main Shopping Center in Anoka. And it's a bakery that's worth checking out.